Chapter 7 Coordinate Geometry. Exercise 7.1 Ninth question, the second problem. In the previous videos, we completed up to ninth first problem. Now, in this video, I explain the second problem. Name the type of quadrilateral formed, if any, by the following points and give reasons for your answer. The second question, minus 3, 5, 3, 1, 0, 3, minus 1, minus 4. Welcome to Maths World 111, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana State 10th class. Coordinate Geometry, Exercise 7.1, ninth problem. Under ninth problem, the second one. Name the type of quadrilateral formed, if any, by the following 4 points and give reasons for your answer. The second problem is minus 3, 5, 1, 10, 3, 1, minus 1, minus 4. Solution. So, using these 4 points, a quadrilateral is formed. We have to name the type of that quadrilateral. So, the 4 points can form a square or a parallelogram. Okay. Let A minus 3, 5, B 1, 0, C 3, 1 and D minus 1, minus 4 are the given points. Okay, A, B, C, D. So find A, B, B, C, C, D, A, D using the distance formula. So using the distance formula, find A, B, B, C, C, D, A, D and also B, D and A, C. Once after finding, if all the sides, 4 sides are equal, AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD and the diagonals also AC is equal to BD equal, then we can say the 4 points form, the 4 points form a square. And what about this parallelogram? Only the opposite sides are equal. AB is equal to CD and AD is equal to BC. Opposite sides are equal and the diagonals are not equal. We can see it is a parallelogram. Now, what is the distance formula? Let A x1, y1 and B x2, y2 are 2 points. So, the distance between these 2 points is denoted by AB bar is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, first find AB. AB is equal to, so x2, x1 is, A is x1, y1, B is x2, y2. So x1 is equal to minus 3, y1 is equal to 5 and x2 is equal to 1, y2 is equal to 10. Just simply substituting these values in the formula, we get AB. So AB is equal to square root of x2 minus x1, 1 minus of minus 3 whole square plus y2 minus y1, y2 is 10, 10 minus 5 whole square. Okay, 1 minus of minus 3, 1 plus 3. So 1 plus 3 whole square is 4 square. 4 square is 16 plus 10 minus 5 is 5, 5 square 25. That is equal to square root of 16 plus 25. You got it now? How could you get 16 plus 25? So 16 plus 25 is nothing but 41. That is equal to root 41. We got AB. AB is completed. So AB is completed. Now BC. BC is nothing but the distance between the points B and C, where B is 1, 10 and C is 3, 1. So from the distance formula, x1 is equal to 1, the first point, y1 is equal to 10 and the second point x2, y2. x2 is equal to 3 and y2 is equal to 1. So just simply substituting these values in the formula, we can get BC. So BC is equal to square root of x2 minus x1. This is the first one, B and C. x2 minus x1, 3 minus 1 whole square plus and y2 minus y1 whole square, B and C. y2 is 1, y1 is 10. So 1 minus 10 whole square. So 3 minus 1 is 2. That is 2 square. 2 square is 2 into 2, 4. Here we get 4. Plus 1 minus 10 is minus 9. Minus 9 whole square is minus into minus plus 9 into 9, 81. So that is equal root of 4 plus 81. So that is equal to 81 plus 4 is 85. That is equal root 85. We got BC. Okay. Now CD. CD is nothing but the distance between the points C and D, where C is 3, 1 and D is minus 1, minus 4. So from the distance formula, x1, y1 is C, 3, 1. So x1 is equal to 3 and y1 is equal to 1. And D is minus 1, minus 4 is x2, y2. So x2 is equal to minus 1, y2 is equal to minus 4. So just simply substituting these values x1, y1, x2, y2 in the formula, we get CD. So CD is equal to square root of x2 minus x1, C and D. So x2 minus 1 minus 3 whole square plus y2 minus y1, C and D. Y2 is minus 4, y1 is 1. So minus 4 minus 1 whole square. So minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4. Minus 4 whole square is minus 4 whole square is minus 4 into minus 4, minus into minus plus 4 into 4, 16. We get 16 here plus minus 4 minus 1. This is minus 5. So minus 5 whole square, minus 5 into minus 5, minus into minus plus 5 into 5, 25. So here we get 4 square plus, that is 16 plus square root of 16 plus 25. 16 plus 25 is nothing but 41. That is equal root 41. You got it now? We found AB, BC and CD. And now you find AD. So AD is nothing but the distance between the points A and D, where A is, from the problem, A is minus 3, 5 and D is minus 1, minus 4. So from the formula, A is x1, y1. So x1 is equal to minus 3, y1 is equal to 5. AD. And x2, y2, x2 is equal to minus 1 and y2 is equal to minus 4. Just simply substituting these values in the formula, we get AD. So AD is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square, A and D. x2 is minus 1. Minus 1 minus of minus 3 whole square, root of minus 1 minus of minus 3 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, A D. Y2 is minus 4, y1 is 5. So minus 4 minus 5 whole square. Okay, minus 1 minus of minus plus. So minus 1 plus 3, 2. 2 square. 2 square is 4. Here we get 4 plus minus 4 minus 5. It is minus 9. Minus 9 whole square. Minus 9 into minus 9. Minus into minus plus 9 into 9, 81. So that is equal root of 4 plus 81. 4 plus 81 is root 85. So AD is completed. AB, BC, CD and AD. All the sides we completed. We found. Now we have to go for finding the diagonals. Now find the first diagonal, BD. BD is nothing but the distance between the points B and D, where B is 1, 10. x1, y1. x1 is equal to 1 and y1 is equal to 10. D is second point, minus 1, minus 4. So x2, y2 is equal to minus 1, minus 4. x3 is equal to minus 1. y2 is equal to minus 4. So simply substitute these values in the formula, we get BD. So BD is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square, B and D. x2 is minus 1, x1 is 1. So minus 1 minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, B, D. y2 is minus 4 minus 10, y1. So minus 4 minus 10 whole square. So that is equal root of minus 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 whole square is minus 2 into minus 2. Minus into minus plus 2 into 2, 4. Here we get 4 plus minus 4 minus 10 is minus 14. So minus 14 whole square is minus 14 into minus 14. So minus into minus plus 14 into 14, 196. So that is equal root of 4 plus 196. So 196 plus 4 is 200. Okay. Root 200 I can write as root 100 into root 2. So root 100 is 10. So that is equal to 10 root 2. We got BD also. BD is 10 root 2. So finally, BD is completed. We find AC, the other diagonal. AC is nothing but the distance between the points A and C, where A is minus 3 comma 5, the first point. So x1 is equal to minus 3, y1 is equal to 5. C 3 comma 1. So x2 is equal to 3 and y2 is equal to 1. So using the simply substituting these values x1, y1, x2, y2 in the formula, we get AC. So AC is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square, A C. X2 is 3 and minus 3 is x1. So minus 3 of minus 3 whole square we got here, plus y2 minus y1 whole square, A C. Y2 is 1, y1 is equal to 5. So 1 minus 5 whole square. You got it now? So 3 minus of minus 3, minus into minus plus 3 plus 3, that is 6. 6 whole square, 36. Plus 1 minus 5, minus 4. So minus 4 whole square, minus 4 into minus 4, minus into minus plus 4 into 4, 16. So that is equal to root of 36. Here we get 36 plus 16. So that is equal to 36 plus 16 is root 52. Okay. So here we got all the sides AB, BC, CD, AD, BD, AC, 2 diagonals and the sides also 4 sides. Just observe what I told you. The condition for to call a quadrilateral as a square, all the sides must and should be equal. Here you see opposite sides are equal. So opposite sides are equal, then we can say it is a parallelogram. And even diagonals are also not equal. Diagonals are AC, BD. AC is root 52 and BD is 10 root 2. Both are different. So in ABCD, in the quadrilateral ABCD, both pairs of opposite sides, AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to AD. Both pairs of opposite sides are equal. And even the 2 diagonals AC is the first diagonal, BD is the second diagonal. AC and BD also not equal. Just observe. 10 root 2, root 52 not equal. Hence the given points form a parallelogram. Okay. And for further more videos, please subscribe Maths for 111 YouTube channel.